How to stop iPhone tracking. Want more control over your privacy on your iPhone? Here are 5 settings you should check. First, open Settings and tap Privacy and Security. Tap Tracking, then turn off Allow apps to request to track. This prevents apps from asking to track your activity across other companies' apps and websites. Next, go back and tap Location Services. Review the apps listed here and change location access for apps that don't need it. You can choose options such as Never, Ask Next Time or When I Share, or while using the app, depending on the app. Also, check System Services at the bottom and review the location-related options. Don't blindly turn everything off because features such as emergency calls and SOS and Find My iPhone can be important. For another privacy setting, go back to Privacy and Security and select Apple Advertising. You can turn off personalized ads if you don't want Apple to use information associated with your activity to personalize ads. Finally, go to Analytics and Improvements and review the analytics sharing options. If you don't want to share analytics with Apple, you can turn off the available sharing settings. Also, remember that these settings don't completely stop all location or data processing on your iPhone. They simply give you more control over which apps and services can access or use certain information. And that's how to improve your privacy and reduce tracking on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.